Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series for Wednesday. We are actually far ahead of schedule for a lot of the videos that I might be showing what's happening right now. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Leave a comment as well. And I always like reading comments and always show it up. Always show artwork on the Discord channel as well. So, I have been actually painting one mini, like one of couple minis, a day at a time. And I am really far ahead. I'm like almost mid of November. October's done for it. And we're going to have painting of Karlak for scheduling for November. I love Millipede. I don't know if I talked about it last week, but Millipede is great, easy to sand, better than Bondo in my opinion. And I can smooth it up with water with my fingers, and I have the tools for it. Yeah, we'll be doing Karlak pretty soon. I can't wait. This is going to probably take a few days because it is really big. And working with bigger figures or prints, when you're painting it, it actually takes more paint and more detailing and stuff like that. So we also finished the Howling Banshee because we went back to working on my Eldar. I do love my Eldars. Here's one of the Howling Banshees for it. Shorts of this video will be out pretty soon, hopefully probably next week. But I am loving it. It's getting done. Putting more stuff out of the printer, using up all the resins up because resin only lasts for like 4 to 6 months, depending on what brand you buy. And after that, with resins, I already done with the filament. I won't be printing for a while. Be saving my money for a workbench for the garage, so that we get a lot more stuff in the garage. Film in the garage. That's the main ideal, is to film in the garage, working on bigger projects and so forth. For that, school is great. Finished my midterm for economics, and I think I have like 3 more weeks left for economics, and I have another 11 more weeks for the regular of the course. I love cutting the metal. I love using the mill, the lathe. I love using the CNC machine. Really fun, and I just can't wait to go to a second semester for it and for machining. Uh, I think they didn't get paid starting pay if you do a 2 year degree. Even with certification, you get starting pay is like $36 an hour, stuff like that. But I don't know for it. It is one of the things I really do enjoy. I will be cleaning this whole office as well. I'm gonna make shorts for it. Due to the fact that we are gonna have another tank over here by that little thing here. We have a hermit crab tank. We'll be setting that up next week. We'll be setting up a lot of other stuff. We'll be changing the background a little for that. The main reason is that uh, we have a lot of stuff that's still in boxes that needs to be unpacked, and basically we are going to be having some gaming system here, hooking up the computer so I can hopefully stream. I do want to stream some games. Just did not have any of the chance to do it so far. It is just one of those things that I'm trying to get going and finish up. Try and want to do some VR games with you guys. Go to VR chat, stuff like that. It's just taking a lot of time and also costs a lot of money for it. So I'm gonna take my time for it. New paint P3 have a Kickstarter out right now, and there's some other Kickstarter stuff. I might do a stream this weekend, actually going through all the Kickstarters and Patreon videos. If you guys are really interested in it, please leave down the comments, and I can actually get that going for you for that as well. We're slowly not making a dent into the old world. We have goblins left over that we gotta finish from the old world. Then we'll want to work on the Tomb King, the Bertolians. We have Skavens. We gotta paint some orcs for the Age of Sigmar and the Stormcast as well. For the Warhammer 40k, majority of it is the Eldars and the orcs that's still in boxes that I need to put together once I'm hopefully get a lot of those stuff done as well. I am printing out some anime Warhammer figures. just for shits and giggles. We got some Farron and Ray style Eldar for my thing. We got Neri Automata, 2B for the Sisters of Battle, stuff like that. We'll make a video for that as well later on. We got some slime girls and some succubus girls for D&D. D&D painting's gonna be random now because October's over. All the horror stuff I did so far, that's already been scheduled. Now November and December, it's gonna be random. Hopefully we'll do some Christmas theme videos for the end of the year, but I have nothing planned right now. But hopefully we'll get stuff done for that. Right now I'm just working on November scheduling. Then I got a plan for December scheduling for that as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy. I know it's a short vlogging video. It's just that I am tired and it's 3 in the morning. I'm going to bed. Anyhow, take care, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.